Now we're headed into one of the most popular spots here on board, the Cloud9 Spa. Now keep in mind they have Cloud9 rooms and suites as well. We've got those on the channel if you want to check it out. And if you take one of those, you're going to have some specials that you can take advantage of here in the spa, and you can access the thermal suite throughout your stay. Right here is the check-in area. So you can see you've got the check-in desk. You can come down here anytime. They'll answer all of the questions that you have. You can also come down to sign up. And I recommend checking it out on boarding day because they're going to go ahead and give tours of the spa so you can see all the spaces yourself. You've got a small waiting area here, a little bit of a sampling of some of the different retail options that they have. Of course, it's duty-free, so a lot of people do prefer to buy here on board. So now we're entering up here on deck 6, and then they're actually going to head down the stairs to the main part of the spa. I did want to point out there's an ADA accessible lift right here if you need to utilize that. Now the first spot that we're going to encounter is the beauty salon and barber. They partner with Keristus so you can have all of the different treatments that you'd like at home, whether you want to do hairstyling, cuts, things along those lines, or just get ready to go out and have an amazing night out on the ship. They're going to have manicure stations and pedicure stations. I love that they've got the big sinks that are even big enough for my size 15 feet. Once again, especially for those formal nights, make sure that you book it as soon as you get on board to take advantage of it. Now, as we continue on through the space, you're going to have a whole row of treatment rooms on both sides. So there's actually treatment rooms that go all the way down, but first we're going to head into the relaxation lounge. Now, the purpose of the relaxation lounge is where you start your spa treatment. You're going to meet your therapist here. You'll fill out a little bit of paperwork so they understand who you are, what it is that you're looking for, any limitations or things that they need to focus on. It's really meant to get you in that Zen mindset before and after your treatment. So it's a really nice space here divided by a curtain. And then over here, you're going to see that they have waters, teas. They'll usually have infused waters and things like that as well. So you can sit, relax, and get ready to have a fantastic treatment. Now we're just inside the men's locker room. This is where you can come to change, put on your robe, get ready for that treatment, or afterwards as well, or if you utilize the sauna or the thermal suite. So you see they have restrooms and showers right here. They've got all the towels ready. And then just tucked in the corner here, you're gonna have lockers. You can store your things in there during your treatment. So just outside the men's and ladies' locker room, you're gonna find a large sauna. It is unisex, it's in stadium style seating as you would expect in a sauna. It's that perfect place to sweat out all your toxins and go ahead, relax and rejuvenate. Now, one of those fantastic amenities if you're staying in a Cloud9 room or suite is the thermal suite. It's a beautiful space down here. You also can purchase a pass if you'd like. Now let's start off in the corner. So over here, you're gonna have a steam room. So it's a large steam room inside. We can't open it up because it'll fog up the camera. And then over there to the left, you have an aroma steam room as well. So they add that aromatherapy in there to get your senses nice and opened up. It's a really fantastic option. Now you've got two large experienced showers. There's massive rainforest shower heads up above. So you can do the tropical mist or the cool mist and really kind of mix it up. As we continue along, you're going to see you have these nice extra comfy loungers in here, perfect place to relax. And next up is the salt therapy sauna. So you can come in here and once again, just open up all of the senses. You can come in and enjoy it. It's infrared as well. It's not super hot like the other sauna, but once again, just an additional therapy option. As we continue into the space, the feature right in the middle is a large hydrotherapy pool. You've got all the bubbles and jets, and then you can sit over on the side to take advantage of the solitherapy. And then mixed in, you're gonna have the hot stone loungers. I really like these. You can lay on them. They're ergonomic, really nice. They're gonna heat up your back and legs. Now, continuing along, you also have more loungers as well. It's a place where you can sit, read a book, relax, and just enjoy your vacation. Now, I did want to point out one really cool feature. Through this door here, there's an elevator. Now, that elevator actually goes directly all the way up to deck 17, where you're going to have quite a few of those spa Cloud9 rooms and suites. So from there, you can head directly down, and it's got direct access between the two sets of floors. So now let's head into one of the therapy rooms. There's quite a few different options here. You can do all the different massages, wraps. Also, they have a full Medi-Spa experience as well too. You can do thermage and quite a few different options. So once again, it's the entire Elemis Spa experience that you can have at home. You can have right here on board the Mardi Gras. So you can see here, this is one of the single treatment rooms. They also have doubles as well. My all-time favorite massage is, of course, the hot stone massage. So that's one of those heaters for that. But once again, the whole concept is to relax and customize it and make it the exact treatment that you would prefer. Now here's an example of one of the double treatment rooms. This one actually has a divider, so depending on their needs, they can separate it out or open it up. But for me, there's nothing more romantic and relaxing than having a couple's massage, a nice relaxing day, maybe the kiddos up at the kids club enjoying their time, and you could just relax and truly vacate your life at home and be on vacation. In the Cloud9 Fitness Center, you're going to find a full array of all the different equipment that you would find at the best gyms at home. I always manage to at least walk by here once during my stay. So all along the windows here, you're going to have treadmills. You've got a ton of aerobics. You've got arc trainers, ellipticals on the other side, several different bike options as well. You're going to have a rowing machine, and then up against the wall, you're going to have all the free weights, dumbbells, barbells that you can utilize. And you also have a full array of the circuit machines. So in here, you can go all the way up and down, work every single part of the body, though I might be working my body in the buffet, just saying. Next up is one of the aerobic studios. You can see this is all set up for spin classes right here. They have state-of-the-art, brand new Life Fitness spin cycles. And I love that they have the stage up there. They also have the big screen TV so that you can have the competition going on, because we all know that in athletics, adding a little bit of competition makes it that much better. So we have another one of the aerobic studios. They've got the steps over there so you can do all kinds of different classes, yoga, stretch, and keep in mind that if you do upgrade to one of those Cloud9 spa suites, you can take advantage of a couple complimentary classes. But I highly recommend if you do it at home, continue it here on board. That's what this is all about, is something for everyone.